Hello, let's practice using school words in a sentence. Backpack is one word. A sentence is a group of words that tells an idea. Like this. Backpack, word. Sentence, I have a white backpack. Or, I take my backpack to school. Can you make a sentence with backpack? Make a sentence with calculator. For example, I use a calculator in math class. Make a sentence with computer. I study English on a computer. Make a sentence with chair. I sit in a chair. Make a sentence with wall map. I see my home country on the wall map. Make a sentence with desk. I sit at my desk to study. Make a sentence with whiteboard eraser. The teacher used the whiteboard eraser to clean the board. Make a sentence with whiteboard. The teacher writes new words on the whiteboard. Make a sentence with folder. I put my papers in the folder. Binder. Make a sentence with binder. I put my homework in the binder. Make a sentence with paper. Write your name on your paper. Make a sentence with book. Open your book to page 10. Make a sentence with notebook. Please write today's question of the day in your notebook. Make a sentence with glue. Use glue to stick the papers together. Make a sentence with pencil sharpener. May I borrow your pencil sharpener? Make a sentence with pencil. I like to write with a pencil. Make a sentence with pen. Use a pen to write your name. Make a sentence with highlighter. Use a highlighter to mark new words. Make a sentence with scissors. I use scissors to cut the paper. Great job. Now I will ask a question. Can you answer the question? Let's begin. What do I use to cut paper? Scissors. I use scissors to cut paper. What do I use to erase my pencil? I use an eraser to erase or clean my pencil marks. What do I use to keep my papers together? To keep my papers, I can use a folder or a binder to keep my papers together. What do I like to read? I like to read a book. What do I use to write on my homework? I use a pencil to write my homework. What do I use when my pencil is broken? When my pencil is broken, I use a pencil sharpener. Where can I write my new English words or take notes for grammar class? I write and take notes in a notebook or on paper. Where do I sit in the classroom? I sit and work at the desk in the classroom. What do I use to sign my name on an official document? I use a pen to sign my name. What does the teacher use To write on in class. The teacher writes on a whiteboard in class. What can I use to highlight or line some new words? I use a highlighter to show new words. What does the teacher use to clean the whiteboard? Whiteboard eraser. The teacher uses the whiteboard eraser to clean the whiteboard. What does the teacher have in the classroom to show countries in the world? A wall map shows countries of the world in the classroom. Wall map. What is sticky that I use for projects or crafts? Glue is sticky. I use it for projects and crafts. Great job. Happy English practicing. Have a great day.